Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome to our Value Education class. Today we are going to discuss Lesson 7, An Act of Generosity, Session 2, Question and Answers in the textbook. Okay, so open your textbooks and solve the questions. Now further I am going to discuss all the questions with you. Okay. Question time. Question 1. Write yes or no. In this you have to read the sentence. If the sentence is correct, you write yes, and if the sentence is wrong, then you write no. Okay children. A. The old lady was rich. No, so write here no. The old lady's gift was not given generously. No, so write here no. Okay. The old lady was happy with the way the prophet received her gift. Yes or no children? Yes. Okay, so write here yes. The prophet gave his disciples the grapes. Did the prophet give the grapes to the disciple children? No. So, this sentence is wrong. So, write here no. The prophet ate all the sour grapes to avoid hurting the old lady's feelings. Yes or no, children? Yes, so write here yes. Okay, in this way you write. Okay, yes, no in the blanks. Okay, children. Now come to the second question. Fill in the blanks. A. The old lady had saved dash to buy the grapes. The old lady had saved money to buy the grapes. B. The dash expected the prophet to share the dash. What will come here? The disciples expected the prophet to share the grapes. Okay. C. The old lady would have felt sad knowing the grapes were sour. Okay. D. The disciples were touched by the prophet's dash. Generosity. Okay children, so write here generosity. E. The disciples dashed their heads in dash of the prophet. What will come here? The disciples bowed their heads in praise of the prophet. Okay children, now you also write in the same way. Okay, the answers. Okay, here S has come here. Okay, by mistake the PPT. Okay, now come to the next part. Time to think. Generosity means giving something important wholeheartedly and lovingly to others. It also means never hurting another person's feelings. It wasn't easy for the old lady to spend all that money she had on a gift. It wasn't easy for the prophet also to eat all the sour grapes. We can be generous not just in the things we give, but in our thoughts, actions, and feelings too. We can be also generous in our love or praise, but the value of generosity is lessened when you do it only for the praise or to show off. Discuss in class if it is right to be generous only for praise or recognition. Children, here also the meaning of generosity is given. Okay, generosity means giving something important wholeheartedly and lovingly to the others or someone. And it also means that you should not hurt any other person's feelings. Okay, whenever you are receiving or giving something to others. Okay, it wasn't easy for the old lady also to spend all the money to buy the gift she had bought for the prophet. Okay, it wasn't easy for the prophet also to eat all the sour grapes. Okay, children, as we have seen in the story of giving and receiving, we can be generous not just in the things we give, but in our thoughts, actions, and feelings too. We can also be generous in our love or praise also. Okay, children, but the value of generosity is lessened when you do it only for praise or to show up. You should never show off something, okay, or that you are giving something, okay, to someone for just sake of being there. Okay, and you should not show your generosity when you want someone to praise you. Okay, that is also wrong thing. Okay, now it is right to be generous when it is done wholeheartedly and lovingly. Okay, children, and it should be done without hurting another person's feeling. Okay, and it is wrong to be generous only for praise or recognition. Okay, means, or you can say for show off. Okay, children, now come to the next part, time for a reality check. Dia and Sapru are very good friends. They do everything together. Dia's aunt has to come from America. She gifts Dia a very expensive camera. Dia is very proud of it and uses it very carefully. Sapru is throwing a party on her birthday. She asks Dia to bring her camera so that she can click photographs of the party. Dia is not keen to take it because she doesn't want her camera to get lost, spoiled, or stolen. She also does not know how to say no to Sapru because she does not want to lose her hope friendship. See, children, Dia and Sapru are very good friends and they do everything, means whatever work or whatever spending time, they do it together. Okay, Dia's aunt has come from America and she gives Dia a very expensive camera, and Dia is now feeling proud of it. Okay, and uses it very carefully. Now Sapru is throwing a party on her birthday. She asks Dia to bring her camera so that she can click photographs on the birthday party. Okay, and she invites Dia for her birthday also. Dia is not keen to take it because she doesn't want her camera to get lost, spoiled, or stolen. But here Dia is thinking that she does not want her camera to get lost, spoiled, or stolen if she gives that camera to Sapru on her birthday party. Okay, children. Now she also does not know how to say no to Sapru because she does not want to lose her friendship. Okay, work with your partner and discuss what you think Dia and Sapru should do. Use the points given below and add more points of your own. Dia should give her camera because Sapru is her best friend, and one should be generous with one's friends. Second, ask Sapru if she can bring another less expensive camera with her. Now, see children, what Dia should do is given here, okay. Here it is said that Dia should give her camera to Sapru because they both are best friend, and one should be generous with one's friend. And ask Sapru if she can bring another less expensive camera with her. Now, and Sapru should not ask for the camera as it is very expensive, and tell Dia that after clicking few photographs, the camera can be safely locked in her cupboard. Okay children, Sapru should also take care of Dia's camera also. Okay children, here. And Dia should also be generous to her friend. Okay, in this case. Now diary time. Write what you would do if you were in Dia's place and why. Children, write here today's date. And today we spoke about generosity. If I were in Dia's place, I would. What will you have done? You write in your own words here. Okay children. Now come to the next part. Your time. What will you do in the given situations? Tick the correct option. Your mother has packed 2 chocolate cupcakes for your tiffin. These are your favorite cakes. You have eaten one. You can see a classmate looking lovingly at the other. What will you do? Eat the second one too because you love cupcakes. Share it with her or him. You have already had a full one. Which option is correct? Yes. Share it with him, her. You have already had a full one. Now second, your maid spends the whole evening cooking a special meal for the family and serves it. What will you do? Eat everything quietly without complimenting. Be generous in your compliments to make her feel happy. Okay, which option is correct? The second one. Be generous in your compliments to make her feel happy. Okay, now come to the next part. Put together. Generosity can take many forms. We can be generous in sharing our money, time, knowledge, and many more things. We can be generous with love too. Take a small empty gift box and gift wrap it with a beautiful ribbon. Attach this poem to it. You may choose to write your own poem also. Gift it to any person you love, brother, teacher, friend, grandmother. Okay children, you have to do this activity at home. You have to take an empty box, wrap it with a gift paper, okay, and tie a beautiful ribbon to it, okay, in this way, and attach to this poem, okay, one poem. This poem also you can write on it, or the poem which you can think and write, okay, or you can choose any other poem from the books also and write it on that paper and attach that paper to the gift, okay. This is a very special gift that you can never see. The reason it's so special is it's just for you from me. Whenever you are lonely or even feeling blue, you only have to hold this gift and know I am there for you. You never can unwrap it. Please leave the ribbon tied. Just hold the box close to your heart and know it's filled with my love inside. Okay, children? Write this poem on that paper, okay? And you can give this gift afterwards to the person you love. It may be your brother, teacher, friend, or grandmother, or it may be your parents also. Okay, children? Now, here I have come to the end of our session. Thank you.